Have you ever wondered about the secrets hidden beneath the ocean's surface? Deep within the vibrant coral reefs of Indonesia, the ribbon eel performs a mesmerizing dance few have ever witnessed. Known for its striking blue and yellow colors, this eel undergoes a fascinating gender transformation during its life cycle. As males transition to females, their electrifying mating ritual begins, involving elegant twists and pulsating colors. Facing threats from habitat destruction and climate change, the ribbon eel stands as a beautiful but fragile symbol of the ocean's mysteries. By preserving these marine environments, we ensure future generations can marvel at such hidden wonders of nature.